Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Sing, Liam.
Sing it.
Happy birthday, dear Mike. Happy birthday to you. Good job. Can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
You too. Can you do it?
Happy birthday.
Okay. Now can you guys blow out the candles for Mike?
No, I don't want the light.
You want the light? Okay. What about you? Do you want to blow out the candle? Blow harder.
Try again. Try again.
Good job. Okay, Jack's turn.
No.
Okay. Well, you can't eat the cake without blowing out the candle.
I did it.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Anything.
Say happy birthday.
Blow out the candle.
I did it.
Good job.
I made it.
Good job.
Give me the candle.